oldest to youngest. David, the first person at the picture, is an electronic engineer. He is living in Berlin, Germany. He is studying, he is working at the company, and he is very happy. The next year, he is going to study Germany language for to perfect the language. Camilo, the third person at the picture, is his brother. Camilo is an electrical engineering. The next week, Camilo is going to travel to Milan, Italy. Camilo is start a master degree in electrical engineering in that country. Camilo is very happy because Italy is the country of your dreams, and probably Camilo will be your best effort for to stay several years in that country, looking for opportunities for job or for continuous studying. Luisa and Santiago are brothers. Luisa is living in Manizales. She is studying at the Caldas University food engineering, and Santiago is going to be a lawyer. He is studying at the Caldas University too. I think that Luisa and Santiago will live all your life in Manizales. Esteban and Maria Jose are the children of my brother Cesar. Esteban is studying psychologist, and Maria Jose is studying in first high school. They are living in Pasto. I think both will need to leave of that city, Pasto, for to have better opportunities. But I think it will be in at least